Hi, this is Nell from the Ivy Tech Community College Libraries, and in this video, I will be explaining how to pick a research topic. Choosing a topic is the first step in the research process. It is often the hardest step, and it can change as you begin your research. Don't be afraid to change topics as you learn more. Searching for information on a topic that is too broad can uncover an overwhelming amount of information. A topic too narrow can be challenging due to the lack of published resources. One way to pick a research question is to explore a topic you are interested in learning more about. See if any of your personal interests or career goals fit within the assignment. Try writing your topic as a question. This can help direct your research. Or review background information. This can help direct the scope of your topic and outline the important issues related to it. Ivy Tech has a great database called IvyTilt that contains information specifically about choosing a research topic. To find IvyTilt, go to the library homepage, A to Z Resources, and click or scroll to I and click IvyTilt. The website will open and the IvyTilt homepage has a short video on how to choose a research topic. There are also links to databases such as Opposing Viewpoints, Credo Reference, and CQ Researcher, which are filled with ideas that could make for inspiring topics. That was an overview on how to choose a research topic. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.